Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just click to the volume section, and just to change your device ringtone volume, you should swipe this to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here to use volume keys for media you got turn it off this option, and now just by press your up or down volume button you can also change the ringtone volume on your device. And also you can do it just by this way, by swap this volume button to the up or to the down with your finger. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.